Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are making 3-bean casserole. And this is a recipe that I made up a long time ago because I had a lot of beans around the house and didn't know how to get rid of them. And so we're gonna make this, and what you're gonna need is packaged egg noodles, 3 cans of beans. You can use any kind of beans you want. What I got here is black beans, red kidney beans, and pinto beans. But you can use black beans, red beans, and black eyed peas. Just any kind of beans you want. Just all 3 different, just each can being different. 2 cans of the 10-ounce cream of mushroom, and you're going to want milk to follow the instructions on the milk. So just put the milk in the can and pour it in here, which I'll show you here in a little bit. You're going to need a pepper, bell pepper, and an onion, and you're going to want to chop both of those up to put in here. I'm not going to chop it in the video, so let's go around. Alright, well, I forgot the sleeve of Ritz Crackers, which you're gonna crush up for the topping. So let's get this going. We're gonna preheat the oven to 375. So while that's getting preheated, we're gonna put all this together. Alright, let's get this going here, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, now I've cooked the egg noodles, boiled them for 10 minutes, got them, set it over here, so we'll set them there for the time being. Now, what we're going to do is mix all this together. First we're going to do, you want to drain your cans of beans and put them in there, put them in a bowl here. Okay. Alright, we'll put the cream mushroom soup in here. Get all that scraped out. Alright, this is really good. When I first made it, so I had a lot of beans around the house and didn't quite know what to do with it, and so I came up with this recipe to help out with that. And yeah, it's actually, I really enjoyed it, even with the beans that I don't particularly care to eat. So, and the next thing you want to do is pour the milk in here. Alright. Got just a little bit of more of the soup in here. Alright. Then we're going to put in the onions. Want those chopped up. And your peppers. Alright. Then put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And we'll get this all mixed in. Already looks nice and colorful. Alright, there we go. And then we'll work in the noodles here. Oop. Alright. As you guys see, it works really nice here. Get it all stirred up, mixed in together. We'll have all those flavors mixing together. Okay, the next thing you want to do, get your baking pan, and I already got stuff shot in there, but you want to grease it up. Okay, then you just dump this in here. This is a 10 by 13. You could use a 9 by 13. And all right, so I got the oven preheated. We're gonna put that in there for like 20-30 minutes while it's cooking, and then we're gonna put the topping on. So the topping. So let me go put this in the oven for 30 minutes, and then we'll put the topping on for about 5 minutes. So that would be the crushed crackers. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, we've had this in for 30 minutes in the oven. Pull it out. Alright, so there we go. Now I'm gonna put the it looks really good. I'm going to put the breadcrumbs on here. It's the Ritz breadcrumbs. I got them all crushed up. And I'll just put it on the top here. And just real light covering. And we'll put it in for just a little bit longer. I think maybe you can put in another thing of crackers in here. When we put this back in, we'll put it in for 5 minutes, and then we'll be done. Give this thing a try. Let it cool off a little bit after that. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, put it in for 10 minutes, get it golden brown, the top going brown, and it smells so good. Let it cool for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to dip this up and give it a try. See if we can get it. Ooh, look at that. Now let me move this around. Here we go. Alright. Just get this right here. Beans. It looks good. This tastes really good. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below, and I hope you guys try this, and take time to subscribe to my channel to see some of my other cooking videos, and I also do some adventure sightseeing videos too. So I look forward to seeing and hearing from you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed my videos. Alright, well, I'll catch you guys later.